How to create a working checklist in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Words. Type in where you want to add checklist. After you've added the text, simply select all the text. Then, right-click on it. You'll find all these options. Click on Bullets. Beside Bullets, click on the arrow. Here, click on Define New Bullets. After you've clicked on Define, click on Symbol at the top. After you've clicked on Symbol at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, in the font section, simply type in Windlings. Click on it. Here, scroll down, you'll find the checkbox icon. Simply click on it and press on OK. After that, checkbox will be added and it will be working as well if you click on it. And this is how to create a working checklist in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.